Who would have thought that a device as small as a smartphone could be used to help the warfighter be at the right place, at the right time, with the right equipment, making them more lethal and more survivable on the battlefield? Captain Greulich, company commander of 135, and his team raid a mock village, but not before strategic planning facilitated by the use of the Nett warrior system.
The Nett warrior is designed to allow soldiers on the battlefield to have a common operating picture, as well as providing leadership situational awareness of where their soldiers' location is on the battlefield.
The Nett warrior system is a handheld end-user device equivalent to a smartphone. It is designed to provide situational awareness to dismounted troops during combat operations. It allows for faster and more accurate decision-making during the tactical fight and connects the dismounted soldier to the network.
It makes planning so much faster, especially downrange. There's a lot of things that just happen just spur of the moment. We probably had maybe 15 to 20 minutes to plan as far as the platoon goes before every mission. And the only reason it was successful is because of the Nett warrior.
The Army has come a long way from a compass and map and is taking full advantage of advanced networking technology to enhance the proficiency of mission accomplishment and at the same time decrease the loss of lives out on the battlefield. Reporting from McGregor Range, New Mexico, I am Army Sergeant Rachel Coronado.